Hi everyone. My name is Anand and this is my story. Yep, I am a second year BTech student of the branch Computer Science and Engineering, right? And approx a year back, I've started learning programming language, right? And maybe you guys have guessed till now the very first programming language of mine. Yep, it's Python. And now you guys may be thinking of that why I have choose the Python as my first programming language. So look, basically Python is a programming language which is very simple. I am not saying Python is easy, right? It's simple, right? Its syntax are much more similar with English language, right? Now you guys have thinking English, where is programming language, and you are talking about it is similar to English, right? Yep, it is. And if you talk about its uses, right? If you guys can guess, Python is being used in every technical field, right? If you talk about web dev, yep, it is there. If you talk about blockchain, yep. If you talk about data science, yep. If you talk about machine learning, yep. If you talk about AI, yes. Automation everywhere. I would say in majority field you will see Python is there, right? And now if you say uh, career scope, and its answer is if there is Python is being used, then there is the scope of career, right? So career option is all depends on yours. Yep. And in this year means in 2026, uh, I have started to restart my mindset thinking and the journey of sharing my learnings, right? And before that, in 2025, I have also started to share my learnings in the Instagram and YouTube also, but because of lack of consistency, I was stopped to share the stuffs, the contents and learnings also, right? But this year I have decided to not give up and just start my journey of sharing the learnings about codes and programming language and all those things that I've learned, right? Because sharing is caring, right? Now uh, we have talked about Python for it is and what is uses and career scope, right? So after that, we're gonna see how we can uh, learn Python and what its internal workings, how Python works, and what its components, its concepts, topics, and all about the Python thing, right? And one more thing, we can also talk about some most important libraries of Python, because look, Python has millions of libraries are there, right? That means you don't have to build your own library to use that library in your specific Python project, right? It's damn simple. That's why Python is most popular programming language in the world, and most professional are uh, prefer to use Python, right? It's simple. So this is kind of intro video about our journey and Python journey, right? And after this video, I'm gonna starting explaining the my learnings and topics also, right? So all set.